HeiQ viroblock is an antiviral textile technology combining HeiQ's advanced silver and vesicle components that can be applied to any fabric to make them extra resistant to viruses and bacteria. Silver emits silver ions to kill any bacteria on the fabric surface. Just like a magnet, the positively charged silver attracts the negatively charged virus and tries to attack it with silver ions. However, envelope virus membrane is like a shield protecting the virus from silver ions. The vesicle technology, which is a cosmetic-grade liposome, helps to deplete the viral membrane quickly so that the silver ions can attack the core of the virus and destroy the virus rapidly. With HeiQ viroblock, fabrics are no longer the hosting surface for viruses and breeding ground for bacteria.